My dear countrymen, once again, on behalf of the People's Voice Society, I am back with you. On 14th January 2023, the last video recording was of 31st December 2022. Last time, I had urged you that you should start as a mindset change, start widening your mind. You should make friends from other communities, other religions, rather cover all the religions that are in our country and make good friends with them, close family friends, try to convert friendship into relationship, thus making our future generations of multicultural, that they come out of the mixed marriages and they know about all the religions and can feel comfortable in any situation. So as an extension to what I said last time, I would like to urge you, if you have not so far experienced in life, if you have been going only to a mandir, try to go to a church or a masjid or a gurdwara. You will feel the same level of mental peace, tranquility and connection with God, Allah Almighty. Whatever name you give to that power that controls the entire earth, not only the earth planet, but the whole galaxy of planets. My dear countrymen, I would like you to experience what I have experienced in my life. I have experienced going to all the places of worship of all the religions of India, and I have felt comfortable everywhere. Believe me, I have felt absolutely same connection with the Almighty power in any of these places of worship. That goes to prove that we are ultimately part of the same source of energy, same source of power that is working in this universe which is physically visible to us, and not what is not visible to us is the real power. I can sum it by saying all that material is immaterial and all that is immaterial is material. I mean thereby that whatever is visible to you is all artificial, is all what they call mithya. The real thing that connects you to God is invisible. By immaterial I mean invisible. So therefore please try to understand the invisible source of energy that binds us together in one human race, or I would include even all the living animals including plants, etc., because they also come out of the same energy. I have personally discussed with one of my very close friends, Tanveerur Rahman, whom I first met in 1966 in connection with a business, and then we became very close friends. Both of us were unmarried at that time, and we lived all our lives together, knowing each other, visiting each other, talking to each other. And at times we've discussed that when he reads namaz, what is his feeling, and I would share with him when my feelings when I sit into meditation. When I meditate, the mind becomes very calm and quiet, and the inner self excels. Similarly, he would share his experiences with me while reading namaz. I had another friend who was employed with the State Bank of India, State Trading Corporation. He would also share with me his experiences of what he feels while reading namaz. I happened to visit him once in his office, and he was in the midst of reading namaz. When he finished that, I had a long discussion with him on this issue. So I would like to emphasize, my dear countrymen, that you should try to inculcate the habit of making friends from every from every community, from every walk of life and from every community, so that future generations can have mixed culture and try to promote the idea of marriages between different castes, different religion and different regions to make India a cohesive society. I would like to now end by saying that I will be back with you by end of January 2023. By then, I hope you will try to understand this idea of the People's Voice Society. If you like it, please subscribe to the video, spread it across to your friends and relatives, and be in touch with People's Voice Society by giving us your feedback through our website www.thepeoplesvoice.in. Jai Hind, Khuda Hafiz, Namaskar.